Okay, so there's a choice here. So one route is 3.7 kilometers and the other one is 2.4. It's no brainer. I'm going to Ifonce por Camino del Topo. It's 4th of January today, 2020, and it's quite warm here in Tenerife. I think the temperature will be about 22, 23, which is quite nice for climbing. It was quite windy the last 3 days, but fortunately the wind died out and today is perfect. So hopefully I'll be able to fly the drone. Oh, a beautiful orange tree. I think I took the wrong route, just circling around the summit. I should have taken the other one, but it's too late now, so I have to find a way. To get there. I hope this is a path. It's not very well marked though. Let's see. Hopefully I can see which road to get now. Wrong. No. I need to cross the gorge again. Yeah, I think I'll be on the right route soon. Shame I wasted about an hour. But it doesn't matter. It's still quite beautiful here. Look at this rock. Probably collapse very soon. So I came from here, it's La Fuente de las Pilas, which is the wrong way. I should have taken the route which is on the other side of a mountain, but I didn't. Well, it looks like abandoned building. Saying El Refugio. It's probably for refugee. Find yourself under the bad weather. Yeah, I won't be comfortable to spend the night here. Looks very dodgy. Well, the good news is I see a sign, so I guess that's the main path which leads into the summit which I want to go to, and there's another one there. So I guess both paths are on the ridge. Really steep now, and not quite sure if the last part it's climbable at all. It looks quite steep and the rocks look quite vertical. That mountain there is Roque de Conde, not that steep, but this one, hey, it's like Matterhorn. Very pointy. And hopefully I'll be at the summit in 10-15 minutes. Maybe more. It depends. Now it's difficult. No chance here, just vertical rocks. So I'll keep going and let's see what's on the other side. Maybe they'll be better. And the sunshine. No luck really. Oh, even worse. Yep, even worse. And there's a cross here, so I guess someone died. This cross is for the memory of Susan and Bill. So I'm not sure if they died here, climbing the rocks, or... Shit, it was in white water. This is my last attempt to find a better way to get to the top. Maybe that's the one. Let's see. Sheer drop. Final push. Oh, fuck. Really steep and rocky. We'll do it. I'm not sure which way to go. It's probably there. Or there. Yeah, that's it. And we get to the summit. Oh, beautiful. Hey. Fuck. And what a view. It's beyond annoying if the compass is not able to calibrate. I don't know why, it's just saying strong interference. What interference? What metal object? I'm surrounded by rocks. This is a summit. There's no metal here at all. Annoying, annoying, annoying DJI. Annoying. Stuck on some ridge. Bloody drone still not working. Coming down is harder. Ah, look at that rock. Oh shit. It's behind the cloud now. It's behind the cloud, which is good. Gives me a little bit of a rest, and the temperature dropped slightly, and blah blah blah. Speak English. Keep going. I'm knackered now. I mean, 2 peaks now in 2.5 hours. That was a great hike. Really knackered now after doing 2 mountains the same day. So have a look on that one. Gorgeous. Magnifique. See you later, guys. And finally, if you go in that summit over there, you take Camino de Suarez, not Camino del Topo. And this is the end of the hike. Thank God for that. Yeah, so in 5 minutes I'll be in the car. It's another derelict building over there. If you want to buy it, it's yours. €1. Cheerio.